welcome back for another video. This is basically about 30 seconds later from the last video, so if you didn't watch the last video, watch that one. It's right up there. Just got a bunch of random stuff done, extended headlight wires, and a bunch of wiring stuff was done last video. Been trying to take the advice I've been seeing, because I know I do talk a lot, so I've been trying to do a little bit more action, which is a little bit harder to film, so I guess that's why I've been talking a lot. But I'll shut up now. Actually, not yet. Let me explain what I'm doing. This interior panel right here, I guess the radio would go there. There's no radio in the car. So I had a diamond plate thing made for it, which I made myself. Looks a little wonky, but in there it looks good. So the switch panel has to go in there. I was gonna modify it, which was, I basically just had to take a little bit off each of them to go past these things. But I decided I'm not going to do that because I want to try to run my gauges on that little piece also. So I'm going to try to make a little custom panel. I have a piece of diamond plate down there. I'm going to try to just make a thing out of diamond plate instead of ordering a new one from, I think the company's LRB. They make a panel. Probably going to wind up getting a rear seat delete from them, but not worried about that. Going to get cracking on this panel. Let me clean up a little bit and then we're going to get cracking on the panel. That's the shape we're going to start with. I'm actually going to give it a little extra on that end so I have some space, because so I have a little extra because there's a little bend in this, so I will probably give it a little extra, and then brackets, I have to worry about these screwing in somewhere. I don't even know if I'm going to wind up using those, but we're going to need something to, we're going to need to attach it somehow. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that yet because these are set back a little bit too, so let me cut this thing. I got the rough shape and it's very hot, so I put on gloves. So we're working with so far. I will guess I'll try to like bend it a little bit. I left a little bit extra on every end just so I have a little bit to play with. I could grind it down to a nice smooth edge. I guess I'll try to put a bend in this. Don't really know how. I'm thinking of doing that at all at the moment, but I'm gonna clean up with these edges a little bit here. I'm gonna attempt to make the bend here. I don't thinking of clamping wood on it to start. It only needs a very faint bend, so I don't want to go too much. It is aluminum, so it's gonna bend very easily. Well, I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get it close. Until I get it pretty decent. I mean, we're almost there. I think I'm pretty good with the bends. I'm not gonna do the last bend because I think I ran out of material. I didn't make enough. I didn't make it long enough, so I'm just gonna clean up these edges to my lines, and then we'll see how it looks in there. I got the edges cleaned up pretty nice. got very hot. So now this is trash. I'm throwing it in the trash. I'm not. So now we got that all settled. I'm just gonna try to find a nice spot to make the square for this. This is just gonna go right. Gonna bolt in from the back. Maybe. Maybe we'll bolt in from the front. I don't know. I'm gonna mark this thing up. I'm gonna cut it, and then I just gotta find a spot for the gauges. Aluminum, and it's a pain in the ass to work with because it's very soft, but I didn't mount it yet, but we're gonna look like that, something like that. Line could be straighter, but it's a 240, so no one's gonna complain. Just gotta figure out where I want to put the gauges. I don't know if I have a hole saw the size that I need, but we will check it out. So I can't find a hole saw for this, so what we're gonna, I have this marked. One gauge is gonna go there. One gauge is gonna go there. Should, you know, put them in a decent spot. So once I drill that, then I'll be able to mount everything up. So I'm leaving it for now, calling it a day. I'm gonna try to order a hole saw, try to find something. Gonna look like that. So I'm gonna order a hole saw, I'm gonna drill it and then mount it, so you guys don't need to see that. I mean, it kind of helps that I don't have that, so you're not gonna see it either way. But I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna mount it up, but I'll show you when it's all mounted up next time. So, I wanna thank you guys for joining me. It's been a, I guess, decently quick one. I mean, you saw me make this thing from scratch. I mean, you could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. So, thank you guys for joining me. We'll mount it up next. I'll show you guys how it's wired next time when I get to come out here again and work on the car again. I'll show you how it's wired up. I'll show you how to wire to a relay panel. I'll show you how to wire a relay panel too. So it's all really simple. I know a lot of people have some issues with electrical, but simple stuff. Guys, join me on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we're almost there, man.